Hi PlusNik channel visitors and subscribers. In this video, I'm gonna introduce a website that can help you to find best subject and proper title for your YouTube channel videos. The website name is Ahrefs and the link is below in the description part of this video. You can click on the link to open the website. After you enter the website, click on the YouTube tab and write down your keyword here. For example, if your videos are related to YouTube creators, you can type the word YouTube here. YouTube. Okay? Then click on Find Keywords. But before that, you can select the country and then click on Find Keywords. And click on I'm not a robot for reCAPTCHA. Now here are some ideas for your keyword, but I recommend that you click on questions to find that which questions people type and search for on YouTube. Now you can see that mostly searched topics and questions that you can use in your videos to get more views on YouTube. For example, that was for YouTube board, but if your videos are related to Instagram, you can type Instagram and you will get the results related to Instagram. As you can see, here are results related to Instagram. For example, if your videos are related to Instagram, you can give ideas to create videos related to these questions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was useful for you and for your YouTube channel.